made several iterations of this particular notice. And you videotaped our proceedings. It was just a brazen violation of these particular proceedings. I told you not to. If you just left your purse in your pocket, you would have not even put yourself in this particular predicament.
Right, but there was so much going on. I suffered.
That doesn't excuse your behavior, and it doesn't give you.
I didn't hear every.
Madam, that does not excuse your behavior, and it doesn't provide it's an excuse for behavior, because there is no reason you couldn't have taken your phone and put it in your purse when we told you to do that, right?
Correct.
And a fine of $1,000 and or 20 days in jail. Madam, I think that given the amount of time and energy and effort and care we spent in making that particular pronouncement, and I tell it multiple times for multiple reasons, and you decide you're going to just do what you wanted to do.
It's not
pull out your phone
doing what I wanted to do.
Well, you pulled out your phone and videotaped our proceedings, and that was in direct violation of this court's order. So I'm going to sentence you to 3 days of in jail, and that will otherwise satisfy your contempt. So
it's not going to be the payment? I thought you said.
No, I'm not going to fine you $1,000 because this court, I've given this same admonition a number of times, and there are varying reasons that we punish people in society, okay?
Well, another one bites the dust. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having yourselves a good day. So, this YSL judge is not playing. As we have seen through this YSL case, everything and anything is kind of going completely backwards in all different ways. The main reason is because this is a very important case, but it seems like everybody else is not taking it as such. When I mean the potential jurors do not want to be there. They know how long everything is going to take. And if anybody's done jury duty, which I think almost every adult, all of us have, jury duty is one of the worst things you could possibly do. It's boring for the most part. I know it's their civic duty, I get that, but jury duty is very boring. Basically, you're taking yourself off of work to sit inside of a room for about 7 to 8 hours for them to basically potentially either they're going to say, hey, they settled the case and you don't got to be a juror, or they say, yo, they haven't settled the case, we need you, and basically a week or two of your life gets completely unraveled. Now, this is a huge case, which means that everyone's going to be taking it serious on the prosecutor and even the defense's type of way, but different things keep going into the way of that. Now, what you guys are looking at is there's a potential juror, and apparently they've been having a bunch of different problems go on during this proceeding so far. The trial hasn't even started yet, and they've had all these different things go on. We've seen the one where it looked like a drug deal was happening with Young Thug. We've seen a bunch of different things that have been going on to kind of push it back and just make it as ridiculous and like a clown show. Now, this judge is not having any things for it because this lady apparently was caught trying to record the court proceedings, which if you guys don't know, that is extremely illegal to do. You're not allowed to do that. I don't understand the purpose of doing it because for the most part, most of this is being videotaped regardless. This is I'm pretty sure it's like a public trial. There is no reason she should have been doing this outside of clout. Maybe she could post on her Snapchat, hey, I'm recording, I'm at YSL trial, all this type of different stuff. But whatever it was is going to land her 3 days in jail. As you could see, she was trying to argue and say, oh no, I didn't know this. We're not. He thought she was going to be able to pay $1,000 and be fine. But no, this man is sending her to jail for 3 days, which I honestly think is something that should be happening. You shouldn't be over here, especially as you know, it's a high profile case. The last thing you should be doing is trying to record it to get yourself some clout for whatever social media or whatever you're trying to be on. But what do you guys think about this? Some people are saying the judge is being too harsh. I honestly think the opposite. She's lucky I'm not the judge because I would have sent her in jail for the whole 20 days. But what do you guys think? Remember, give me a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. Peace.